welcome back to another video. And I'm sorry I haven't posted in a long time. I have been out. Well, let's get started. We're gonna play like 3 rounds of Cursed Islands, which is a great game from Roblox. That is the one personally. Both like 3 and all of these are like my favorites games and favorite games on Roblox. And it's been a long time since I haven't played Cursed Islands, and I hope it goes fast, because yes. And guys, while it's doing its terling. Oh, you have to be kidding me. Well, it's... Oh, that was fast. Well, why don't you pause the video or do something like that while this upgrading Roblox is loading? And why don't you subscribe? Click that bell icon, because that bell icon is our friend, because he helps us. Because when I post a new video, he will always notify you. And don't forget to leave it a like if you're enjoying this, and also tell in the comments what other things should I play on Roblox. Like, I don't know. Yes, I don't know. Yes. So let's wait. I've seen. So if you don't know what Cursed Islands are, it's a game that there are a lot of islands, and then there are a lot of islands, and then you have to choose one that you hope is not cursed, like the name. And you have to be kidding me, it's not loading. Roblox is not loading. Connecting to Roblox. Please go. Okay, thank you. So let's do this. We're joining the... Oh my god, what did I do? I was going. I know more. Okay, now it goes. What? Huh? I'm not touching this mouse pad again. Now. Well, it's still not loading. Okay, I touched it, but... What? Oh, okay, now it goes. Okay. Huh. Hey! Cleaning that dude. Rude. You rude. You don't say suckers. Cause you can't even... You were the one that sucker. And you died. I think you're the first one to die, or I don't know. But I know that you don't call people suckers because you yourself can't suck information. Yes, I don't know what I'm saying. Okay. Well, stop loading. Let it stop loading. Jump. I want to go in the trampoline. Why is it not loading? Why can't I walk? Can't you walk? Oh my god, that cape is adorable. I mean, it's not like adorable, like adore. Oh my. Ah! So loud. I can't move. I can't move. Why can't I move? I'm lagged, I guess. Oh, now I can move. There you go. Oh, there you go. I want to play, not to wait. Oh, what are those? I have 734 of those. Oh, are these like fruit? I want fruit. Yeah! My fruit, only my fruit. Oh, it's a cursed island. I think I never got the octopus thingy. Like, obviously, wow, what a great English speaker. Obviously, I already saw the octopi. Octopi, right? It's octopi, what they say, right? You say right? It's octopi. I obviously saw octopi, like here in the game. Obviously, like you saw, but I never got it like in my island. I can't ignore it. If it doesn't want me, I won't want it, because I don't know if it is a girl or a boy. Or a boy. Sorry for that. Oh, okay. Okay, 5 minutes in and only 3 people left. Great. Let's go swimming. Let's go swimming. Oh, wow. These water. I want ice cream now. Like I want ice cream now. These waters are so clear. What's the temperature? Let me see the temperature here where I live. I'm not saying. It is currently, let me see. Where is the trampoline? The trampoline. It is 21 degrees, I think, for us, for where I live. It's 21 dot thingy. I don't know. Temperature is not my fault, okay? Jumpy. Oh, maybe from here I can get it. Let me try. Oh! Ooh! I found that parkour. Also, guys, I did parkour. I didn't film it, obviously, because it was a school trip. But who cares? It was. Whoa, that is clear. That is really bright. Wow, I had like 707. Now I have 747. Good. What the fruit? I can get it. See, so we're gonna all wake up in an island or something like that. So yeah. Oh god, that's loud. I don't know if this is good. I woke up. Where am I? What is this? What is this? Ah, you got the potato. Is she AFK? Really? I'm gonna go with you. Kotava. 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 Sounds like a really cool name. Literally. Yes! Yes, break it. Break it. I love breaking glass. Ah! Evil! Evil! I wanted to break that glass. Oh, that dude is smart. Really smart. Oh, hello! Person that is shooting out money in Robux. Gonna come. If that island gets safe, I'm gonna be really sad. I mean, if the island gets destroyed. No! I almost fell up. I almost walked down the edge. Okay. I wanna go to the island. Everybody go to this island because of the trampoline. Muy bueno. I think I'm in the thing now. The 3 people 1 thingy. Those 2 islands were the ones that I moved and I almost died. Like, boing. I'm gonna move. Or shouldn't I? I don't want to move anymore. Because the trampolino. I might get in the 3 people winning prize. Why didn't I move? No. And I was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I was like 7th place. Yay! 9 minutes from the video. Well, we technically stayed more time. Don't look at that side. Well, guys, this is where I end it. Just kidding. We're gonna play one more round and then we're gonna end the video. Yes. Big cat, everybody. Everyone, say. Oh my god. Say hi to YouTube. Hi to YouTube. Say hi to video. video. Vid. Hi to vid. Vid. Say hi to vid. Hi YouTube. Yeah. Yes. Hi you. So I'm gonna do a big shout out to let's see, myself, obviously the biggest shout out. Oh, no más this dude. Oh, feeling Kikiso. Zam. Okay, on to Zam 9. Carlo Wati. Okay. C Beta. 7th place. Knew it. Ooh, pause. 7th place. No wait. Sorry. Sebera, Kotava, Prisha, David, Sky Myron, Breakfast Derp, Tattoo Gemma. Oh, sorry. Sorry, the last person that I didn't tell you the name. And Barrios. If I'm missing someone, I hope I ain't missing someone. Good. I'm gonna play one more round because I have only 4 more minutes. 4 more minutes. I'm gonna try to stay in the pedestal. That's the name. Yeah! Break. When it ends, I'm gonna do the last break. Break. It broke! I hate this island. Why did I come here? I have to keep jumping. The rule of the ice island is to keep on jumping. What happened? Why did he die? Why did he die? Sorry, guys. Wait, did I say Kawatava? I did, right? No. I'm gonna move now because no. You guys saw that. I got so lucky. I fell like this and then I got back and kept on jumping. They're pro skills, bro. Pro skills. Imagine if the video just ends and I get in the pedestal and no one sees my honor. Yay. Someone die already, please! That is the sword of Athena. I am scared. I'm not gonna read the sword of Athena. I'm gonna back to my island of Athena. Athena is a god, a good god, the god of war. See, Athena strikes. He strikes. I want to go to the trampoline, mommy. Let's see how many people are still going, counting with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ah! No, you did not. No, you did not. Stop following me. Stop following me. Ah! People, if I had stayed on that island, I would die. Literally die. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 people. If 2 more people die, I'm in the pedestal. Wait, what? And, oh, more people to say hello. Gabriella Gendador and those lines. And, yeah. And, Hanation. Sorry, I don't know how to say your names. People, please die. I can't move on. What? Excuse me? How did I die? Okay, thank you so much for watching so much. Don't forget to subscribe, leave that like button. And these were the shoutouts of today's game video, whatever. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and comment what other games did I do. So yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching. Goodbye.